Hello and welcome to this What's How-To video where I will be demonstrating how you can download, install and review the Power BI WATS application. And I'm going to start off from the WATS start page and I'm going to use my quick search in the center top toolbar and I will type in Power BI. This will look up both in the application and in our online help center. And as you can see here, I can find an article called WATS Power BI application. I'll click the link and in the article you will find the installation link for the application. I click the installation link, it will take me to this page where I can download the application and it will download and install on my web Power BI application. You're prompted to install, and once the installation is complete, this application will load with sample data. So to review your own data, you'll have to authenticate, and we'll do that by going into WATS and creating access token. So I'll go to the app, and as you can see here, you're viewing this app with sample data. So I'll go back into WATS, and I'm going to go into the control panel, and in the users and account and tokens, and I'm going to create a new token and I'll name it first my initials and Power BI, and I will have to select a web client. And once that is done, I can create the token. I also have the possibility to limit the token in time, but for this I will leave it unlimited. And save, and this will open a dialog box where the token is prompted. Be aware that this token is not prompted again on this page, so store it while you have it available. And I'll close this one. Now for the next step, I will go back into the WATS Power BI application and I will click this link, connect your data. And this will open this dialog box where I can enter my WATS URL. And in my case, that is HTTPS, and we have live.wats.com. And in the token, I will paste my token from the WATS control panel, and I'll click next to connect. And then you're prompted for authentication method, and then you'll just leave it at anonymous and sign in and connect. And once you have authenticated, this app will reload and it will show data from your application. And in this menu bar to the left, you can see the different reports available in this application. So this application contains predefined data set that comes in some tables with WATS data and some predefined reports. You have the ability to go ahead and edit this report and add your own pages displaying the accessible data in different ways. But if you want more data, you will have to access this data from using our REST API. So let's just quickly go through the different reports that you have here. First of all, you have an overview with a periodic yield chart and a list of the high volume products and the worst yield products for the last 30 days. You have a list of the UUT reports with some pie charts showing how they're broken up. And you have a list of UUR reports, repair reports, with the same type of pie charts. You also have a yield report, which shows yield for different part numbers and different processes. And you have a volume chart that shows periodic volume from the different levels and for the different products. And finally, there are two reports, one for sockets and one for measurements. So if you want to, if you need to visualize other data than available from that, please refer to our articles and videos about using Power BI with the REST API. Thank you for watching.